Hello everyone, today's video is again a different vlog. So as many of you know that I am at my mama's place that is in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. So I'm going for an outing today with my baby and Galisha and my mom and dad. So this is the first time we are taking Ivan out. So for those who doesn't know, Jabalpur is India's central point and the Narmada river passes by the city, which is surrounded by temples and ghats for visitors. So today we are going to visit Narmada river. So it is known for Dhuadhar Falls and white marble rocks at Bhedaghat. So we just parked our car and this is the entry, and it is a local market which is basically you'll find everything made of marble here. Soft marble, hard marble, both are there. So majorly we can see the idols, the god idols which we worship in temples. Basically शिवलिंग यहाँ मार्बल की मिलती है जो बहुत सारे मंदिरों में एक्सपोर्ट की जाती है, और ये कुछ सीप की लड़ियाँ हैं जो हम डेकोरेट करते हैं अपने घरों में. And there are a lot of stuff here. It's a local market, but some things you can really find good here and unique. So as you can see, these wall mirrors, they are really beautiful, made of the shells from the river. So lot many things can be found here. Some are really common but some are really unique. ये रुद्राक्ष की मालाएं हैं. हर साइज़ का रुद्राक्ष मैंने देखा है यहाँ पे, बड़े से बड़ा, छोटे से छोटा, एंड यू कैन कस्टमाइज अकॉर्डिंगली. एंड एक ये शॉप थी जहाँ सिर्फ और सिर्फ शिवलिंग्स थे, हर साइज़ के, हर कलर के. एज यू कैन सी देयर डिफरेंट कलर स्टोन्स ऑल्सो, एंड दे आर मेड ऑफ लाइक अ वन पीस स्टोन. एंड दिस शॉप ऑल्सो हैड अ लॉट ऑफ गॉड आइडल्स. तो आप जैसे देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे ये हनुमान जी हैं, ये जो बने हैं ये पूरे वन स्टोन को कार्व करके बनाया गया है, और भी बहुत सारे गॉड्स के आइडल्स हैं. इस शॉप में भी ये बहुत बड़े शिवलिंग, छोटे शिवलिंग सब थे. पीछे साईं बाबा की मूर्ति एंड दुर्गा जी. सो दीज वर डिफरेंट नंदी जी एंड बिग शिवलिंग. सो जनरली मंदिरों में यहाँ से ले जाए जाते हैं मार्बल के शिवलिंग्स. और ये लोकल मार्केट था जैसा हम सभी देखते हैं बाज़ार में. ये कुछ डिफरेंट टाइप की एंटीक चीज़ें हैं, और पीछे आप देख सकते हैं बहुत ब्यूटीफुल सीप एंड शेल्स के झूमर बने हैं. ग्रामोफोन, एन ईगल, वुडन ईगल. बेसिकली मुझे ये बहुत पसंद आई. ये एक्चुअली मेरे पास है ऑलरेडी. मैं पहले भी इनको ले जा चुकी हूँ. इस टाइप की पार्टीशन करने के लिए, ये आपको होम डेकोर में नेचुरल आइटम्स बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं मुझको. तो मैं वही देख रही थी कि अगर मुझे उस टाइप के मिल जाते तो मैं और ले लेती. सो फाइनली वी रीच्ड द रोपवे गेट. सो दिस इज़ द एंट्री फॉर द रोपवे. Basically it's a cable car.
So hello everyone, we are almost here in the ropeway and we are just about to go, and there's a lot of noise as you can see. I'll just show you.
So we are passing by the bank of the river and towards the waterfall. So this waterfall is known as Dhuadhar. The word Dhuadhar is derived from two Hindi words that is Dhua, which means smoke, and Dhar, which means flow, meaning a waterfall where we get smoke flow like feeling. This smoke is formed by the water vapors and the mist you will see. This waterfall is 30 meters high, but after the formation of the Bargi Dam, due to the water level, the depth of the waterfall is not that visible. But yes, and it is really famous, the marble rocks. Here you cannot actually see the white marble, but when we go for boating, it's really beautiful out there. In the rainy season, the water level is still this rope which you can see. जबलपुर में अमरूद को बिही बोलते हैं और ये लाल मसाले वाले नमक के साथ बहुत यम्मी लगता है। सो मैं बस पहुंच चुकी हूँ और हम इस रास्ते से नीचे जाएंगे रिवर के पास, सो दैट हम वाटरफॉल बहुत पास से देख सकें।
So this is the actual sound of the waterfall. So finally we have reached Bhedaghat, and this is a beautiful place, and you can actually feel the mist over here, and it is all water droplets coming on me, and it's a beautiful waterfall at the back. I'll quickly show you the other side of the waterfall, and here it is. There's two ways you can get. So the one which we went there, and we came with the ropeway this side, and this is the new side which is recently developed in few years. So at that side of the Bhedaghat there's a lot of crowd, you can see, and you can see fine water droplets coming, and if you stand there for another 10 minutes you get all wet. And it's a beautiful place here, and actually this is the waterfall, and there where the river goes, that side there's boating also. We're not going to do boating today because baby Ivan is with us today. So finally I wanted to do this vlog because I've not been out for so long, and so that is why I wanted to do this for so long. And it's Ivan's first outing as well, and my mom and dad is taking care of him there, and having garam garam chai. So let me also go and join them. Hi, Delisha. Actually there is a way you can actually go and sit there. Just let me take you there quickly. People can actually go there. A lot of people are enjoying. Can you see all the moon? The moon is beautiful and the view is amazing. This is the overall view of the river. Oh, the beautiful mosam hai.
Now it's time to say goodbye. It's really difficult to say goodbye to this beauty, and I hope we visit soon. We actually got to see the sun setting on one side and the moon on the other, both at the same time. The sunset was beautiful and mesmerizing.
And I hope you all enjoyed this small tour with me of Bhedaghat. See you soon. Signing off, Padi. Bye bye.